Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best pocket knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best pocket knife. A pocket knife has perhaps become one of the most vital tools to be used in our daily life. This is regardless of whether the user is a gardener, camper, weekend traveler, or a homemaker. It is easy to conclude that these knives are multi-purpose tools that is much portable and convenient to carry around, and that's why you need to find the best pocket knife for you. Number 5. Gerber Dime Multi-Tool Pocket Knife Black. The Dime is a mini multi-tool with an impressive list of ensuring you are ready for anything. This butterfly open tool fits on your keychain yet. Main features: sturdy stainless steel construction, universal multifunction tool, 12 useful functions. Number 4. iGrid Portable Multi-Tool with Plier Pocket Knife. Whether you are working around your house, fixing stuff, working in your garden, twisting screws or any other related task. Main features: sturdy stainless steel construction, includes a ballistic nylon sheath, compact and lightweight size. Number 3. Bamboo Swiss Army Style Pocket Knife. Each tool opens seamlessly with the greatest of ease and firmly holds in place. With a compact size of 2.5 inches when closed, and it can easily fit in your pocket. Main features: durable stainless steel tools, multi-tool set, easy to carry. Number 2. Multifunctional Stainless Steel Folding Pocket Knife. This is looking good, is reliable and has a lot of useful tools. It is a pocket knife or multi-tool manufactured, and it is well known and famous. Main features: high alloy material and durable, compact and easy to use, multi-purpose. Number 1. Sandiller Swiss Knife Folding Outdoor Hunting Pocket Knife. Every tool are made of stainless steel and must have lifesaver pocket size small device, ideal for camping, hiking. Main features: made of high quality stainless steel, suitable for cutting hard material, multiple uses and functions. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.